Hi everyone, let's create a story today. You're going to love this. So this is so simple and magical. Let's go. First go to artflow.ai. Then click here. It's still in beta, but it's fabulous. Now you have two options. You can either bring your own story or you can create your own with the help of AI. I'm going to choose the latter. Okay, so let's choose the audience. Let's choose the main idea. Let's choose our goal. AI presents an outline for you. Do you like it? If not, ask it to change. I love it. Let's move on. Now AI presents suggestions for the characters. If you like them, fine. If not, just ask it to change them. When you're happy, just click on continue. And now it presents the story. You have the scenes below and you have the text on your left if you want to check it out. On the top, on your right, you also have two pictures. Choose one and it will illustrate your story. That's it. Click on export, wait just a little bit and you'll have a story. Didn't I tell you this was magical? Well, if you like this video, do like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification button so that I can keep on bringing you the best free tools out there for you and your projects. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye for now.
In a sunlit meadow, a child uncovers a vibrant post, beckoning with promises of grace and elegance. With sparkles of excitement in her eyes, she clutches the paper, her heart racing with newfound ambitions. In the heart of her home, she stands resolute, sharing her aspirations with those she trusts the most. A new world unfolds before her, her reflection in the mirror echoing the courage in her soul. Surrounded by elegance and poise, she stands alone on the grand stage, her heart a mix of fear and determination. Every step a challenge, every leap a risk, but she dances with unwavering spirit, her eyes fixed on a distant dream. Witnessing from afar, their emotions entwined with hers, a silent prayer for their child's unyielding resolve. Amidst the music's embrace, she dances not for perfection but for passion, her spirit illuminating the dimmed hall. Doubts erode, replaced by awe, as they witness a soul aflame with determination, a spark igniting within their midst. In a moment of disbelief turned into euphoria, she stands before an unexpected gateway, her dreams materializing before her very eyes. Clad in dreams woven into fabric, she pirouettes with newfound strength, her essence now intertwined with the dance she loves. Amidst applause and teary eyes, she stands not just a dancer, but a testament to the resilience of the human spirit, in a world where persistence paints the skies with boundless possibilities.